Hey there guys, Rob with Boat2Trailer. Today we're going to go over the 3 different models that Ramp and Clamp offers and which model you would need for your boat. Each model has a different gap width of which your eye travels through to get it to lock in. So that's what we're going to go over real quick. So first we're going to go ahead and start with the Sport model. The Sport model has the smallest gap. This is going to be for any boat that does not have a thick mounting bracket for the eye. If essentially you just have an eye that bolts right up to the boat and no mounting bracket, you're going to use Sport model here. Essentially, this is going to be 95% of all the boats. This one here is going to be our Model L. This model is a slightly wider gap for a thick mounting bracket above the eye. So as you can see here, you just want to make sure that if you have this thick mounting bracket, you're going to need the Model L. This one is pretty common for aluminum LUND and also aluminum ALUMACRAFT. Those boats have that thicker block above the eye. This model here is our Model T. This has the thickest mount. This one's going to be for aluminum eyes that look just like this. Essentially, if you have a thicker aluminum eye that looks identical to this, you're going to need the Model T. The Model T comes with this aluminum eye adapter. How this works is it basically just sleeves right over your aluminum eye so that the clamp is going to be grabbing onto this stainless steel eye instead of your aluminum eye. This is important because over time, your aluminum eye can get wear and tear from the stainless steel clamp grabbing onto that aluminum eye. So essentially what it breaks down to is the mounting bracket that you have above the eye. This one here, which is 95% of the boats, has no mounting bracket above the eye. All fiberglass basically is a direct mount. This one here is going to be for that thicker mounting bracket above the eye, which like we said, LUND, ALUMACRAFT, aluminums. They're going to need this Model L. And then this one here is going to be the thicker aluminum eye, which is pretty typically found on tracker boats and also Ranger aluminums.